For the installation of Revestness, we will only need some basic tools. Keep your hands clean during installation. The Revestness does not harm your hands. Check that there is no damage or imperfection on the Revestness. The Revestness has a chamfer and a finished surface. Clean up the installation site. Very important, before installation, check site measurements. You can use wall covering glue. For the application of the glue, use an inch of distance from the edge. Apply the glue slowly. Just make an X in the center of the Revestness. Check that the glue lines are correct. Now we can apply the Revestness on a ceiling. Position the Revestness plate in the designed location. With your hands always holding the piece, adjust the part in the place, and to finish, apply a slight force in the entry region of the glue. Ready! Installed your Revestness.